welcome in today's new video. Today we are making dinner together. So I make those burgers with zucchini fries. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm a holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner, and on my YouTube channel I only share recipes to help people build muscles, lose body fat, feel good, enjoy the food they like in order to get the body they want. So this recipe, this video, it was just like spontaneous video, to be honest. I was just in my kitchen, I was like, oh, let's make a video and call it Make Dinner With Me. So here is the why I'm making this video. It's a simple and easy recipe, so everything will be on the description box below, as well with all of my coaching programs, my ebooks and my free guide. So please guys, don't forget to check, and also if you do like that video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start. This recipe, my buns will be made out of sweet potatoes. So I'm just gonna slice a large sweet potato, and this is how they're supposed to look like. They have to be really thick. Now it's time to do our zucchini fries. So I'm just gonna slice some zucchini into fries shapes. Then I take a baking dish with parchment paper. I lay my buns, my sweet potato buns, and I just gonna add some tallow on top of it. It's gonna be easier for the baking process. So I put tallow on both sides. Then I'm gonna do the same with the zucchini. Add some tallow. I'm adding some salt. And some pepper. And some Cajun seasonings. And I put both oven dishes in the oven at 400 for 30 minutes. Now it's time to make our beef patties. So I use 4 or 5 ounces of ground beef. I add salt, pepper, and some Cajun seasoning. I do use this Cajun seasoning a lot, like I put it on most of all my recipes. Now I'm just gonna mix everything with my hands, and I'm gonna make 2 patties with the ground beef. So I just chop the patties with my hands, just as you see in the video. And then I'm gonna heat a pan, and I'm just gonna add the ground beef on it. I'm not using any kind of fat because my ground beef is 85-15, so it's quite fatty. So I just cook them on both sides. And once it's cooked, my patties are cooked, I'm adding a big slice of Parmesan cheese on top, and I'm just gonna cover in order for the cheese to melt. Using the fat, and I'm gonna just make some onions. I'm just gonna grill some onions. So I slice some onions, I adding into the beef fat, and I just add a little bit of water to make it cook faster, and I just cover and I just let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now it's time to make our burgers. Once our sweet potatoes are cooked, I just let them into a plate, and I add my ground beef with cheese. So I just melt some cheese on top of the ground beef, and then I'm adding my caramelized onions that I just made, and it's optional, but I also add some pickles, and I'm adding some mustard for the sauce. I love mustard with meat because it really gives a different flavor. It's a bit spicy and it has almost 0 calories, so it's amazing. So I cover with the other part of the buns, so other sides of sweet potatoes, and I'm adding my zucchini fries. And yeah, this is the final result. My dinner is ready. I'm having a burger for dinner. It's healthy, it's high in protein, so like, once again, you don't have to give up on the food you love in order to reach your body goals. Like, you can eat anything you want, you have to choose the right ingredients. And trust me, try this recipe, you won't be disappointed. It's just so delicious because the sweet potato really give us sweet flavors on the burgers. You're having a little bit of cheese. The zucchini fries, zucchini is really low in carb, so it's a really good substitute to potato fries. Please guys, try this recipe, and everything will be on the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys again for next video. Bye.